Morning, Steve Fried in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, yesterday we took a pretty big hit in the beans and wheat, and nearby corn continues to rally. Over in the beans, I think the market is seeing maybe better weather conditions in South America. The big question is whether or not Brazil can export beans at a rapid enough pace to satisfy global demand as we make this historic switch from U.S. origin to South American origin. In the United States, cash basis levels for beans are firm. Crush demand remains strong. Farmer selling has slowed as we've taken prices down, and so we should find support around this $14 area in the nearby futures contract. Market is watching pretty closely new crop bean futures to see if we break below this $12.50 area and head lower on perception that U.S. 2013 crop conditions will be normal. Over in the corn, we saw the last of the receipts canceled overnight. There were not expected to be any deliveries in the March. March continues to gain on the May as far as the spread is concerned. Export basis is steady. There's not a lot of new export demand, but the farmers not selling, and the domestic markets continue to be hot because of the lack of movement. So that's supporting the nearby corn market, and probably contributed yesterday to liquidation of spread traders who were long bean short corn. Over in the wheat, we've got another winter storm that moved through the southern plains yesterday. It's moving into the center part of the country today. Two things here. The market thinks that the crop conditions for the hard red winter wheat were improved because of these two winter storms. And then secondly, that this change in the pattern could be positive for the U.S. 2013 crop growing conditions. As always, as we get closer to the end of the month, the market will be watching pretty closely what goes on in Washington concerning the sequester. European woes and maybe the uncertainty of the sequester may have contributed to the heavy sell-off in the U.S. stock market yesterday. If the sequester happens, most people think it might have a negative impact short-term on commodity prices. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.